So now I'll be washing clothes for the first time at this new apartment. Since I don't have the, what is it, the pail, so I use the tub. The soap, the clothes, the wet clothes, not as well. I put the tub into the washing machine. This same towel. The flat, the bubble, soak the white. Take 2 hours before loading it into the apartment. Over there. This is it. Washing machine. Just soak them. Then dry. More. So that's enough. Add more soup. This is our practice when I was little in the province back in the Philippines. So I just let it be to make the whiter or maintain it. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Okay, let's continue the washing using the machine now. See, after the soaking, it's kind of brown dirty. The washing machine is located here. Okay, I don't know how to use this. Just like that, load it on. We just load it and then on it. Okay, got it. So everything's there. Not food, so I think put the soup here. What's this one? Okay, a little bit only. Okay, that's it, and then downy. Konti, a little bit. Okay, I think that's right there, right? One already. Press like regular, normal, and then wrinkle control. Whites. Okay, that's it. I don't know. First time. Huh. First time for this washer actually. It's different than what I have. What's that? Start. Garment. What is coming? Already done. Spin. Okay. Whites already. What to wash? Hold to start. Okay. It won't work. What happened? Okay. Now it's working. Yeah, I think it's working. It's locked. See? It's just locked. Sensing. Okay, there it goes. This is the hose. Okay, that's the washing in my first apartment. Okay, of course I've washed clothes here, but it's in another place, my relative's place. So this one of my own. My first time to operate this one. Okay, it's right there. Good. Washing and washing. See, it's like 39 minutes more from 54. Okay, let's remove it. Remove. And then put in the dryer. Empty. So this is the dryer. Oh, the opening is here. See, they're opposite door opening. Same brand. Let's see how it goes. See, This is like a large washing machine and dryer. So big. On it, just put white. Okay. And then I don't know what. Just press it. Oh, it doesn't work. Which one is the best one? It doesn't on. Temperature, speed, equal. I don't know. And then press. Oh, it doesn't work. More time. Less time. Okay. How to set it? No. Yeah. If you press it, it doesn't work. I don't know what happened. Hold the start. Hold. Oh, there. Hold the start. Right. Okay. Oh, what is that? No, what's that? It's pausing. Pause. And then this, make it regular. No. It doesn't work. Let me stop. Okay. Let's see what happens.
This is your lint filter, the regular one.
Okay.
But there's a second one in here.
Oh, this one. Filter.
And so there's this filter too.
Oh, okay.
So this
It's clean.
Yep. But if it's not in and handled down, you'll get that LF.
LF, oh,
it was sitting in here like this.
Oh, so the one who maintained it didn't really.
Yeah, or when they cleaned it, maybe they didn't put the handle down.
Yeah.
But if the handle's down, then it hits the sensor and it says, okay, now it can work.
Okay, can we try that one?
Yep.
This is Larry helping me because it didn't work. Initially, yeah, it didn't dry yesterday.
And it's better having
Okay.
speed.
You just put like, for example, white. Like white. Oh, it's just like that? Time dry?
Yep, and it's better when it's on time dry, then it'll run until the time runs out and just heat.
Like you put it like 1 hour and 30 minutes? Is that what?
Yeah, because it takes a little bit, because these aren't as fast as regular electric dryers because they don't get as hot.
Oh.
But when it's on normal time, there's a sensor that runs off within the door, and it'll shut off, and your clothes will still be a little wet.
Okay.
And so if you run into that, then let it run and put it on time dry and run it for like another 15
So it
minutes.
should be regular. How about if I press like, for example, these ones are white cell. If I put whites, what would be the difference for that?
Nothing.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And especially if you use the time dry.
White?
Because whenever you do time dry, then it just heats for the time.
Oh, okay.
If it's on regular or any of the other ones, there's a sensor, and it'll say, it's almost dry, and I stop to save you more time.
So when you press that specific like white and all this, it doesn't choose this one, right?
Yeah.
But then how about the echo? If you choose the echo.
That means
yeah.
that means it takes longer to dry.
Oh,
it'll use less
dry.
power.
So you use time dry.
So you want it on time dry and speed.
The speed.
That'll mean it'll dry faster, and it still doesn't use very much power because everything in this building is super power efficient.
Oh,
We're LEED Platinum.
Yeah, I heard that.
The Columbia didn't even get silver.
I've seen that the LEED. I've seen that all over the world.
Yep.
We have that for the building in Manila.
Vancouver, the only one. I haven't looked lately, but this was the only building in Vancouver that was platinum certified.
Yeah, Columbia. No, I didn't see that.
No.
What is the purpose of that LEED?
It means
the environmental.
Yeah, it means where it's good. We're good for the polar bears, and the Columbia is not good for the polar bears. That's what it means.
Oh,
it means this building's way more. It uses less water. It uses less electricity.
Oh.
It uses less.
And Columbia
they didn't qualify.
Oh,
so you have to qualify.
In fact, they're the newest one, right? Yeah, or even Aria. Okay.
Yeah, and some of them like they're silver or gold. The one next to us, yeah, they got LEED certified, but I think they got either silver or gold.
But this one is.
But this one's black.
Oh,
that's the highest level.
Oh, okay.
But that's why they have these different dryers and why it's got that second lint filter.
This
if
one,
you look behind it, there's no hose, there's no tubes, there's no nothing behind that.
And this one is easy. I just use it as press it. Yeah.
Just fine.
Yeah. Okay. Got it.
Give that a try.
Yeah. Thank you, Larry.
And then when you're done, you gotta clean this one out, and then you clean this lint filter out.
Every time?
Yep.
How do you clean that one?
Just remove it, pull it out, and wipe it off,
wipe it off
in the trash,
yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I usually don't use water.
The filter and the one. We don't wash it with water.
No, I usually just wipe it with my hand and throw it in the trash.
Oh, okay. Those like thread, right?
Yeah, this one will be like fine dust.
Oh, this one is fine dust. The other one
will be more bigger stuff.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's good.
And that's what they don't want the lint to go through into where the compressor and stuff is, because then it clogs it all up inside.
What is LF means? The filter, right? Low filter.
And that's what LF meant, lint filter.
Lint filter. Okay.
And that meant that lint filter wasn't in the right place.
Oh, okay. Got it.
And so it won't run because then it gets too much stuff inside the machine.
Oh, okay.
So it's just a safety.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
There you go. Yep.
Finish finally after one day because yesterday I was not able to know how to operate it on the filter side, so it's already completely dry. Good. This is my first laundry in the new apartment. So let's do the cleaning of the filter. I'm going to show you guys. This is what they call the lint-free filter. See how it works. Oh my goodness, it's so dirty. See, just one wash like this, it becomes like this. And then the other filter is this one. Oh, see. So basically, just remove it by hand. No need to wash, just like that. Rub the dust on the cloth. You can imagine this dust from the cloth. So it's now clean. Let's put it back. Put it back like this. Easy. Let's put back the other one. I think like this. No, it's the other way, like that. See that? Okay. Then put it back here. That's the lint-free filter. Okay. Done. Okay, finish. My video for the dryer.